Okay, let's open it. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Let's do it. We got chocolate cards. And the chocolate cards.
Ooh.
Chocolate cards. Okay.
Kannan. Hey.
It's a new unicorn t-shirt. Unicorn t-shirt. Oh, yay. Oh, it's not just open to listen. It's an egg. What is it? Oh, Mommy, I think it's not it. It is an egg. It's a Christmas egg, Kurt. It's all yum. Yummy fruit. It's all yum. It's all yum inside of this egg. All yummy. Surprise is our plate is surprise, and we will eat all yum chocolate. We'll open this one. Let's open Kanna's present. Her new dress, Mommy.
New dress for Kannan?
Opening. It's not opening. This was for Kanna's.
We'll open the next one.
Okay, what's it? Oh, yeah, there's another one. I think Daddy correct. Wait, how with this? Mommy, you get Kanna's. Next, when we will open this present, or it could be. Okay, let's open it.
What does it say? It says from Santa Claus, North Pole, Arctic region.
No?
Carefully this one. What does it say?
It's my dad. You open all of the presents. If you wear the dress of Kanna's dress and Vaishavi's dress and eat candies, of eat chocolate monies with $100, and if you eat all of yum, if you
It says Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas for Vaishavi's world.
Okay, what's inside?
What's inside of it? Could be a
Oh, it's a letter.
letter.
Dear Vaishavi and Kannan, I wish you Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year ahead. May all your wishes come true this year, and let it be a year that provides you with cherishable moments. For now, I wish to provide some gifts to you as token of appreciation for your kindness and good behavior. Keep it up. Yours lovingly, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Merry Christmas, everybody. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my God,